Barx.
Welcome to Barx. Dr. Mondragon is joining the practice. We just opened here, and I'm Dr. Barr.
Yes, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited because we're going to be doing a lot of non-conventional medicine.
Yes,
right?
functional medicine.
Functional, yes, integrative medicine, and I think that I'm really excited about that.
Fantastic. So to say a few of the things that we're going to be doing for anti-aging, we're going to be doing hormone balancing and replacement therapy, bioidentical. We've worked with Suzanne Summer over 10 years. So bioidentical hormones are natural. We do testosterone. We do HGH Peptides. Can you tell us about peptides?
Oh yeah, peptides are so cool. They're amino acids that are really good for your body in different ways. You know, they can help you with healing, with immunity, they can help you with weight loss, but they don't have hardly any side effects.
Yeah, not like the HGH. So for hormone balancing, we're going to use peptides for HGH. It's great for weight loss as well. So we also do a lot of IVs. I love IV therapy. I do IV therapies for vitamins, stem cell activation. We do brain stem cells, and I believe you love to do detox, right? That's one of the things that you're. So you're detoxing. Tell us what you're detoxing.
Well, I feel like everybody in general should always be in a detox program, you know, because there's heavy metals, there's all kinds of, you know, environmental chemicals that we're exposed to.
We're always eating sushi and rice.
Right, exactly.
So our detox queen is here. So yes, it's fantastic that we're going to do that. We're going to do ozone IVs. And not only we're going to announce this is amazing ozone IV, but also we're adding to it the red light.
The red light therapy.
I love it. Everybody's having the red light on their face, on their body, but now we're giving the IV red light as well, which is amazing. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Yes, I love it. Yeah.